It's the 12th of March, I think, thinking around. I think it's the 12th of March. And today I'm going to be planting peas, sugar snaps, and I love them. I planted them for the first time last year and they were absolutely delicious, amazing. So I'm going to plant them in this tray. Can you hear the rain? It's raining outside. I'm in my little garden shed, my growing shed. It's a great space. If you're a gardener, get yourself a growing shed. Oh, you can see, there you go. Everything's back to front. It's so weird. I'm back to front, but you know that already by watching me. Okay, so now I've partially filled up, I'm just going to press down gently to make little divots for the seeds to go. There we go, that'll do. I'm rubbish at this. Yeah, dear. Anyway, so I'll put another one in there as well, just in case. So I'll push the seeds down, they're all down at about, I don't know, a centimetre, half a centimetre. Some more than most. And then I'm just going to cover them up. And I'm just going to cover them up with more soil. Oh, I've got a website on how I do it with instructions with the seeds I'm planting and when you should plant them and my tips and everything I've learnt about growing these seeds and how I'm doing it with my little videos. So I'm still getting used to these videos. I used to be a computer programmer until I retired, but I retired 2 years ago. And this is my hobby, it was my hobby. The YouTubing is a new hobby. I thought about doing it a few years ago, but it just takes time, and now I've got all that time. So I'm doing it now. I do have 10 years allotment experience and 58 years life experience. There we go.